guys, welcome back to Cybrosys. Today in this video, we'll be talking about packages in Odoo 17. A package is a physical container holding one or more products. Packages can also be used to store items in bulk. So let me show you how to implement the packages. For that, let's go to the inventory module. So this is the inventory. And first things you have to do is that you have to go to the configuration settings. And here in the settings, you have to make sure that a particular field is enabled. Okay. So here under the operations, you can see packages. Okay. So which is to put your products in packs such as parcels and boxes and even track them. So make sure you enable this packages. Okay. So once you have enabled this, you have to save this. So if it's already enabled means you don't have to save it. And if you are enabling it right now, make sure you save it. Okay. So you will be familiar with the term packaging as well. So both this packages and packaging, both are different. Okay. Packages means inside this package, if it's a box, means you can, put on different products in a single box and, the packaging is done. The package is ready. If you're talking about the packaging means a single product in different counts are packed there. So if it's, example, any soft drink and all, you are putting it as a pack of 6, pack of 10 and all. Okay, in such cases, you can use the packaging. So this is the packages. Now, only if you enable this, you can find this as a submenu under the menu called products. So here you have packages. Okay, so you can see the pre-created packages over here. Okay, so let's create a new one. So directly creating a package is possible from here. So there are two different ways. I'll show you both. Now from here, you can create a package. So remember the number, which is 7. Okay, pack of 7. And the package type can be chosen from here, either a pallet or a box. So I'm choosing box, and here you can give the shipping weight. So I'm giving the weight as 5, and then the package date will come there, and here comes the location. Okay, so here's the location I'm choosing, partner customer. But here you can't put any contents. Okay. You can just create a package and keep it there, and you can specify how much weight this can contain. Only that can be done. You can't directly give a product from here where you can directly create a package. Okay. Once this is done, you can simply save it. And if you go back to package, you can see the package which you have created, which is pack 007. Okay. Now let's go to operations and see how to use this package inside a delivery. So here you have the deliveries at the operation. Open that and you will be having so much deliveries. So you have to make sure that you open a delivery which is in ready state. You can either open a delivery which is in ready state, or even you can create a new delivery. So I'll open one. So as you all know, this is in ready state. Okay, so the product here is large cabinet, and the demand and the quantity is 1. So if you want, you can change the quantity and all. Okay. So here you have this icon, click on that. Okay. So from here you can see the source package, the destination package and all. Okay. So from here you can actually choose the package. Okay. So I'm just choosing the package which we have created, which is pack of 7. Okay. And the unit of measure and all can be changed from here. So once this is done, I'm going to save this. Okay. So saving is done, and I'm going to put this in pack. Okay, so that's done. And here if you open the packages, you can see the package which I've created was 7. That was one which I've previously created from the menu called packages. Okay, so this has been put in this pack. So I've already clicked on that icon and put it chosen this package as the delivery package. So this is the package details. Now if you click on this, you can see the content is not yet filled. Let's go back to the deliveries and validate it. Okay, so now this is in done state, and let's go and check on the package. So now if you check on this, you can see the content is filled. Okay, once the delivery is validated, the products which was given under that delivery is taken here inside the package. Okay, so this is the place where you can see the package transfers. Okay, so you can see the source document, the company, and the status and all. Okay, so that's the package tracking. So that's how you can use a package which is already created. Okay, Now let me show you how to create a new package. Okay, so I'm choosing another delivery which is in ready state, or simply you can create a new delivery. Okay, I'm creating a new delivery. The delivery address has been added, so I'm adding Abigail Peterson's address. The source document and all will be added here. So I'm adding a product. Let it be the customizable desk, and the demand I'm putting it as 12. Okay, so this is the demanded quantities, which is 12 units. Okay, once you specify all the details, what you have to do is you have to mark as to do. So what happens? This will go to ready state. Okay, so once it's in ready state, you can see an option which has come, which is put in pack. If you go here, you can choose the packages which are already created. Okay, I'll just put it in pack. What happens is that a new package is created, which is pack 8. And if you go and validate it, what happens? The package content will be given. Okay, so you can do that from here. Now, if you take another one here, which is ready, and from here, the destination package, you can add an existing package, right? So I'll add pack 8 and save it. So already in pack 8, we have some products. Okay, now validate it. Okay, the validation is done and packages come here. Click on the package, open that. You can see 2 products. This one was the one which we have taken from a different delivery. This is the one which we have taken from the delivery which we validated right now. So packages can be used in all such ways. Okay, so that's how you can deal with the packages in Odoo 17 inventory module. So I hope it's clear for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.